Alright, quick video on traveling light on motorcycles. In my other videos I've said that the best motorcycle to tour on is the one you've got. And so I'm going to show you a good example of that. Here's my buddy Vinny's MT-07, and that's his travel pack. That is it. Vinny, what do you got in that bag?
All the bare necessities. I've got my clothes, my
How many pairs of jeans you got in there?
probably about 2 pairs.
2 pairs of jeans, shirts,
3 folded up military style,
underwear,
3
socks,
3 pairs of socks,
overnight kit, shaving,
all that good stuff.
toothbrush,
Absolutely.
everything in that one little bag.
Don't leave home without it.
Yeah. People say, I can't go touring because my bike doesn't do this or my bike doesn't do that. What they're really trying to say is they can't go touring because they're just not comfortable enough on that particular bike. But you just adjust your time, your mileage, you adjust all of that accordingly. We've been out here in Eastern Oregon for 3 days. Day number 3 right now. We stay in hotels that are really, really old, so they're more like a hostel. The average is $50 to $80 a night, so it's pretty affordable. You have your own bed, your own bedroom, but you do have community bathrooms and community showers. But still, it's totally doable. And of course, the bikes, they don't use much gas. Even though the gases are stupid high right now, I don't think either of us will spend more than maybe $80 on gas this weekend. And like I said, we've been out for 3 days. We've been out since Friday. On my Triumph, that little top box, I think that's the smallest box GV makes. And I have more than enough for 3 days of travel in there. I even have an iPad in there. On the front, I just use a little GV tank lock bag. Cell phone, wallet, my GoPro, stuff like that stays in there. The only thing I add on that's a bit unusual, of course, is my guitar. When I go on 3-day trips or overnighters or whatever, and I think that it might be fun to bring the guitar, I strap that on there. It's a little Martin backpacker. It's great to have a little guitar when you're having cocktails with friends and strangers, because you always meet people when you're out on motorcycle trips. So I don't want to hear any more whining about not being able to go on motorcycle trips because I got the wrong bike or I got the wrong this. What you have is an inability to adjust your comfort level. That's what you have. So until next time, keep the helmet side up and the rubber side down.